Very important to notice this when you're cooking sirloin steak and trying to track your macros. There's a big difference between these two pieces of sirloin steak. The one on the left here actually has trimmed fat. The one on the right here has an extra inch of fat. You can imagine this is going to change your calories. So as you see here, when you have a 1-inch top sirloin cooked, it's going to be closer to 46% fat. That's actually quite a bit of fat content, and I wouldn't probably add too much more energy to this meal. When you have it trimmed, it's a pretty lean red meat, closer to 60% protein, so we can add more rice or potatoes or something else to it to add more energy and to keep you more satiated. So you notice here in this meal, when I had one that was a fattier steak, I just had a lot of vegetables. Fill up on them because you will get some extra carbs from them, but they're low density. When I use a leaner steaks, I would mix it with something like potatoes or white rice. And again, add some other micronutrients and you're gonna have a good balance.